What is up, guys? It's Jane. Welcome back to my channel. Just came back from work, started getting hot, so I was like, you know what, it's not happening. Crazy thing was that today, earlier in the morning, it was sprinkling, then out of nowhere it started raining, and I was like, what the hell? And now it's like hot as fuck. But you know what we about to do? Let's go smoke. I'm gonna try and see. I went to the store, I picked up some mac and cheese. It's been a while since I've had it. I've seen these on one of my friends' Snapchat and I was like, what? So these, but now it's nothing new, just that I yet haven't tried them, so I've been dying to, like, you know, try them, and today's the day, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook one of them. Let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy, we got the mac and cheese, bold and cheesy. We got the mac and cheese flaming hot, sheesh. And we got the mac and cheese cheesy jalapeno. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this one today. Alright, guys, I have to close the door real quick because my neighbors are still doing construction and they just got a whole lot of noise going on outside. But like I was saying, I haven't tried these mac and cheese. It's been a while since I've made my own homemade. It's not that hard to make, but I ain't a cook either, so all of y'all gonna get from me is probably a cup of noodles and mac and cheese or grilled cheese. Nah, just kidding. I ain't cook like this much. I'd rather have my girl. She's better at it than I am. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out, see if I still got it. I'm excited for next month, and y'all gonna see why. Yo, guys, this will have to do. I was gonna go outside, but it's hella windy, yo. So, oh, and don't trip, I washed this in the morning. Y'all know how I feel about filthy bongs, man. That shit's nasty. And cheers. I just took one hit for now because low-key it's hot and I'm just trying to eat and chill for a bit, watch a movie, you know, before I get going, because a B gotta go work. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do this. Go ahead and read the instructions in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the one, cook it on the stove.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
My high ass thought there was different ways of fucking cooking this shit. It just has one way: stove top cooking directions. I don't know why I thought there was different ways of making this shit. It's hot, guys. I'm already sweating. I ain't really trying to do this. Just kidding, I gotta eat. It's so hot that the freaking water from the faucet is even hot, man. The cold water. Let me rinse it off. I don't know about you guys. If I would have lived by myself, I would have just rinsed it, because I would have known that, you know, like, I washed it good, or me or my girlfriend, I wouldn't care, you know. But since I live with my roommates, I always wash every dish I use in this house. Because I don't know what they used it for, or I don't know if they washed it good or not. I gotta confirm that, you know, like, that's just me. I don't know if y'all do that or it's just me. But anyways, I'm pretty sure my roommates do it too, not just me. But anyways, let's get started. I guess it's Orange Day today, y'all, because hope y'all smoking with me, session with me, joining me on this. hope y'all munching with me later on when I'm done cooking this mac and cheese. If you guys see any little fucking stain or anything, mind your business. I try my best. Y'all, but anyways, hope y'all having a great day today. Let me know, comment down below and let me know what y'all smoking on, or comment down below and let me know if y'all actually have tried this and how y'all like it, because I've never. I'm telling you guys, it's been a while since I cooked mac and cheese. Apparently can't even cook mac and cheese. Golly. Yo guys, my camera had died, but sheesh, look at this. It's a quick taste. I don't have forks at the moment, so I'm using the spoon. I don't go fuck. Here goes. Wait. Yeah, I should have got a fork. Yo. Fire. I like spicy food, so can't wait till I try the others, but this alone, just without, if you guys don't like spicy food, perfect right here, man. Go buy yourself some. 7 minutes. Took me a little longer because my highs be dumb as fuck sometimes. This shit tastes exactly like the Cheetos. Like the cheese Cheetos. Go try it. Fuck, I gotta make sure you get a spork or a fork. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of this plate while I edit this video so y'all could watch it tomorrow. But thank you guys for taking time out of your day to come and watch just a little bit of me, I guess. Even if you don't stay for the whole video, it shows. The support, it shows. Thank you guys. But yeah guys, let me go ahead and enjoy this and watch this movie. Have y'all watched this movie? Am I the only one that's late? I don't know, man. I'm a little high. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one.